Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language in Google Gemini. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, make sure your phone is connected to the internet. And if you don't have the Gemini application, simply open the App Store, search for it, and then download it. Once downloaded, head back to your home screen and then open up the app. Once you open the app, all you have to do is simply sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, simply tap on your profile right over here, then select Settings. Inside Settings, you will be able to find an option that says Language. Simply tap onto it, then simply select your preferred language. If in case you don't see the language option, in many cases, Gemini automatically uses your phone system language, and the manual language menu does not appear. So, head back to your home screen, open up Settings. Inside Settings, scroll below, tap on General. Scroll below again, then tap on Language and Region, and just like that, select your preferred language. After you select it, simply restart Gemini app. And that's it. That is how you can change language in Gemini AI. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.